Now exercise 6.2. First question. Fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that small a is the first term, d is the common difference, and an the nth term of the NAP. First one, first term is 7, common difference is 3, n equal to 8. Now find the an. What is the an formula? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Here a value 7 plus n value 8. 8 minus 1 into common difference 3. 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3. 7 plus 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 7 equal to 28. So, an equal to 28. This is the first one. Now, second one. Here a equal to minus 18, n equal to 10, nth term equal to 0. Now, find the value d. So, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the an value? 0 equal to a plus minus 18 plus n minus 1 into d. N value 10. 10 minus 1 into d. Here minus 18. Minus 18 comes to left value. This negative value change from positive. From negative to positive. So 18 equal to 10 minus 1, 9d. d equal to 18 by 9. That equal to 2. So this is the second one. d equal to 2. Third one. Here find the value of a. Given d value and n value, an value. So nth term of NAP. an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an minus 5 equal to a value find plus what is the n value? 18 minus 1 into d value minus 3. Minus 5 equal to a plus 18 minus 1. 17 into minus 3. 17 into minus 3 minus 51. Minus 51 right to left comes, negative value change the positive value. So minus 5 plus 51 equal to a. 51 minus 5, a equal to 46. So this value 46. This is third one. Now fourth one. Here a equal to minus 18.9, d equal to 2.5. You find the value of n and an equal to 3.6. So an equal to 3.6 equal to a value minus 18.9 plus d value 2.5. So n minus 1 into 2.5. Minus value comes to left. So negative to positive. 3.6 plus 18.9 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. 3.6 plus 18.9. 9 plus 6, 5. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2. So 18.9 plus 3.6, 22.5. N minus 1 into 2.5. So n minus 1 value is 22.5 by 2.5. So 2.5, 22.5. 25, how many times cancel? 9 times. So this value decimal point 9 times. So n minus 1 equal to 0.9. Here one number left decimal point. That's why here one number left decimal point. N minus 1 equal to 0.9. N equal to 1 plus 0.9. That equal to 1.9. This value 1.9. Third sum is fourth is completed. Fifth one. Here first term is 3.5. Common difference d equal to 0. N equal to 105. Now we find the value an. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the a value? 3.5 plus n value 105 minus 1 into d value 0. 3.5 plus 0 into something value 0. 3.5 plus 0, 3.5. So this is the fifth sum. Fifth one is also completed. Second one. Find the 30th term of the AP. 10, 7, 9, and so on. Here, first term, small a equal to 10. Second term equal to 7. Now common difference d equal to a2 minus a1. Here a2 7 minus a1 10. 7 minus 10 equal to minus 3. This is the common difference. Now an of an AP. A plus n minus 1 into d. A 10 plus n minus 1 into d minus 3. Now we find the value 30th term. So you substitute n equal to 30. 10 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 3. 10 plus into minus 30 minus 1 29 into 3. 10 minus 3 into 29. 3 into 9 27. 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 10 minus 87 minus 77 is the 30th term of the given progression. This is completed. First one is. Now, second question, second one. 11th term of the AP minus 3, comma minus 1 by 2, comma and so on value. So, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. So, first term here, first term small a equal to minus 3. Common difference d equal to minus 1 by 2. D equal to, second term is minus 1 by 2. Common difference d equal to a2 minus a1 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 3. LCM is 2. 2 into 3 6 minus 1 plus 6. 6 minus 1 5 by 2. So this is the common difference of the given progression. So d equal to 5 by 2. Now find the value of 11th term of an AP. A n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A11. So you find the value, we find the value 11th term. So you substitute n by 11th term. So A11 equal to A plus, what is the A value? Minus 3 plus n minus 1 into d. Here n equal to 11 minus 1 into d into 5 by 2. Minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into 5 by 2. 2, 10, 5 times. Minus 3 plus 5 into 5, 25. 25 minus 3, 22. This is the 11th term of the given progression. Now, third question. Find the respective terms for the following APs. A1 equal to 2, A3 equal to 26. Find AT. Here question, A1 equal to 2, A3 equal to 26, n equal to, we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Here A3 value is 26, that equal to first term 2 plus 2d. 26 minus 2 equal to 2d. 24 equal to 2d. D equal to 24 by 2, that equal to 12. Now find the A2 value. A2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d. First term 2 plus 1 into d value 12. So 12 plus 2, 14. This is the A2 value. Next question. A2 equal to 13, A4 equal to 3. Find A1 and A3. Given A2 equal to 13, A2 value a plus d equal to 13. This is equation 1. And again given A4 equal to 3. A4 value a plus 3d equal to 3. This is second equation. So you subtract 1 minus 2. So a term is cancelled, coming the d value. So a plus d equal to 13. A plus 3d equal to 3. Subtract, sign change. Plus a minus a cancel. D minus 3d minus 2d. 13 minus 3, 10. D equal to 10 by minus 2 equal to minus 5. So d value minus 5. Here a plus d from equation 1, a plus d equal to 13. A d value minus 5 equal to 13. A equal to 13 plus 5, 18. This is the first term. That is a1 equal to 18. Now find the a3. a3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. A value 18. So here first term a1, that's why write the a1 plus 2d, 18 plus 2 into common difference is minus 5. So 18 plus into minus 2 into 5, 10. 18 minus 10, 8. This is the a3 value. So second sum is completed. Next question, third question. Given a1 equal to 5, a4 equal to 9, 1 by 2, find a2, a3. Here given a1 equal to 5. Next, a4 equal to 9, 1 by 2. That value is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 9, 1 by 2. A plus 3d equal to 9, 1 by 2. Here a is 5. 5 plus 3d equal to 2 into 9. 18. 18 plus 1. 19 by 2. 3d equal to 19 by 2 plus 5. Right side comes to minus 5. 19 by 2 minus 5. So 19 minus 2 into 5, 10 by 2 equal to 3d. 19 minus 10, 9. So 3d equal to 9 by 2. d equal to 9 by 2 into 1 by 3. 3 times cancel. So d equal to 3 by 2. Now find the value a2. a2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d. What is the a value? First term is 5. 1 into d value is 3 by 2. So 5 plus 3 by 2. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 2. And now we again find the value a3. a3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. a plus 2d. What is the a value? First term is 5 plus 2 into d value is 3 by 2. So 2 to cancel, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. This is the a3 value, this is the a2 value. Fourth question. Given a1 equal to minus 4, a6 equal to 6. Find a2, a3, a4, a5. So given a1 equal to minus 4. First term is minus 4. a6 equal to 6. a6 value a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 6. Here first term is given minus 4 plus 6. 6 minus 1 into d equal to 6. 6 minus 1. 5d equal to 6 plus 4. d equal to 10 by 5. D equal to 2. So first term is minus 4, common difference is 2. Now find the value A2. A2 equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Here A value first term is minus 4 plus 2 minus 1 value 1 and D 2. Minus 4 plus 2 equal to minus 2. This is the second term. And now A3. A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A value minus 4, 2 into D value 2. So minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. This is the A3. Next A4. A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So here A value is first term minus 4 plus 3 into D value 2 minus 4 plus 6, 6 minus 4, 2. And A5 equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Here A value first term is minus 4, 4 into D value 2, minus 4 plus 8, 8 minus 4, 4. This is the A2 and A3, A4, A5 values. So fourth problem is completed. Next sum, fifth sum. A2 equal to 38, A6 equal to minus 22. Find A1 comma, A3 comma, A4 comma, A5. This is the given A2 equal to 38. So A2 value A plus 2 minus 1 into D equal to 38. A plus 2 minus 1 D value 38. This is the equation 1. And again given A6 equal to minus 22. A6 value A plus 5D equal to minus 22. This is the equation 2. So this is A, this is A. Subtract A minus A, cancel, coming the D value. So 1 minus 2 implies A plus D equal to 38, A plus 5D equal to minus 22, minus minus plus, sign change, plus A minus A cancel, A minus 5D minus 4D, 38 plus 20, 38 plus 2, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, D equal to minus 60 by 4 equal to minus 15. So D value minus 15. A2 equal to 38. D equal to minus 15. So first value D equal to minus 15. Here from 1 implies A plus D equal to 38. A minus D value 15 equal to 38. A equal to 38 plus 15. 38 plus 15, 43 plus 10, 53. So A equal to 53. So first value is 53. So A1 first term is 53. Now find the value A3 and A4 and A5. Here A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A is first term plus 2 into D value is minus 15. 53 plus into minus minus 2 into 15, 30. 53 minus 30, 23. So A3 value is 23. Next one. A4. A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Here A value first term is 53. 4 minus 1 into 3. D value is minus 15. 53 plus into minus minus 3 into 15, 45. 53 minus 45 equal to 8. Next, A5. A5 equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. What is the A value? First term, that is 53 plus 4 into D value minus 15. 53 plus into minus minus 4 into 15, 60. 53 minus 60, that value is minus 7. So A2 value, A1 value is 53 and A3 value 23, A4 value 8, A5 value minus 7. Fifth problem is completed. Here, fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. So, given nth term is 78. So, you find the value, n value. What is the formula? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, first term is first term equal to 3. Second term equal to 8. So common difference. Common difference equal to second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Here given An equal to 78. Nth term of the given AP is 78. So 78 equal to A plus 3 plus n minus 1 into D. What is the D value? Common difference 5. 78 plus 3 left side comes to minus 3 equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, 75 equal to n minus 1 into 5. Here multiplication, left side comes to divided by 75 by 5 equal to n minus 1. 75 by 5, 15 times cancel. So n minus 1 equal to 15, n equal to 15 plus 1 equal to 16. So 16th term of given AP is 78. So fourth problem is completed.